Hello guys, this is Divya Jyoti and I welcome everyone back to my YouTube channel, that is the Techies Voice. Today in this video, we'll be learning about MySQL. Let's check out some information about the same. Before going to SQL, let me tell what is called as data. Data. This word, what is the meaning of that? So data is known as the behavior and properties of an object. So let me write this. Data is known as the behavior and properties of an object. So when I tell about object, so let me do a diagram over here to help you guys for a better understanding. So you can see here, just don't judge me in the diagrams because diagrams can be worst at conditions. So see here guys, this is a human being. Okay, this is maybe a boy. I'll give a name. I'll give my name. Okay, I'll give my name and I'll be writing here as height equal to 6. Then I'll be writing here as weight equal to 70. Then I'll be writing here my color equals to brown. It's the body color, not the hair color. So now let's have my hair color as black. So here height, weight, color and hair color are the properties of me. These are the properties of a human being you see in a everyday life. So now, what are these? What are these? Are the data 6, 70, brown, and black? They are the data, but these are the properties. This height, weight, color, and hair color are the properties. And total, if you see this total, I'll highlight this total. If you see, they are a data of a human being. Now, if I come up to things like where I'll store my data, where I have to store this information. Now, data is stored in such a place called as database. Now, let me clear all this and let me increase the size. Let's see. I'll talk about something called as this is a box. It's not a box, basically this is a folder kind of thing which I am doing it right here, and I'll do it here as this is my database, and here I'll be storing all sort of data. Okay, here I'll be storing all sort of data. Here you can see these are this is data 1, this is data 2, this is data 3. Okay, let me if you guys wanted me to name this, I'll name this definitely data 1. Here I'll make it as data 2, and here I'll make it as data 3. Right here, this is the database, and inside database I'm storing all my data. So data can be stored in the database because retrieval of data is easy. Guys, in some of the interview questions you might get this question: why data is stored in the database, why not in other certain places? This is because database is such a place where the retrieval of data is easy. Now, coming to the next point, in the database we can perform certain operations. Okay, so in database we can perform certain operations. Let me write here: in the database we can perform, sorry for the spelling mistake, we can perform certain operations, and that operations are known as CRUD operations. Okay, I'll tell you what is this CRUD operations and what is CRUD stands for. Now, let's understand what does CRUD stands for. C stands for create, R stands for read, U stands for update, and D stands for delete. So create, read, update, and delete are the full form of CRUD, which this operation is performed in the database. Now we have seen that this is database, these are the data stored in it, and these are the operations we can perform in database. But guys, the main question you might be finding, data will be maintained and managed, but by whom? So for your kind information, data will be managed and maintained and maintained by the database management system. Database management system. Okay. Now, to know further about database management system and some of the more info about that, I'll be uploading it in the very next video, so you can go through that. So till now, this is all about the things. If you have any doubt in this, you can just comment in the comment box, or you can just mail it to pdivyajyoti772@gmail.com. If you guys like this video, do like and subscribe the channel, and I hope you guys like understand this video and progress in your career. Thank you and have a great day.